Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Yazio. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here Yazio app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.